Husqvarna, the masters of cutting, presents the new benchmark in professional mowing. The V500 series is our all-new zero-turn stand-on mower designed with a focus on productivity, durability, and serviceability. The V500 is a highly durable, super efficient workhorse. It's designed to fit compactly on a landscaping trailer, allowing you to transport more equipment to the job site. The V500 is designed to maximize your productivity. Thanks to operator-friendly controls, you'll be up and running in no time. A heavy-duty fabricated deck mows faster and longer with an exceptional cut quality. It's built to handle high or rough grass. The ergonomic operator interface makes the V500 extremely precise and maneuverable. The V500's superior hill-holding capability lets you stay on track while mowing slopes. Flip up the operator platform to take on the steepest inclines. The heavy-duty construction of the V500 offers a safe return on investment. Every detail of the machine is tested, including the engine, transmission, frame, cutting deck, controls, spindles, and yokes. We also have one of the best warranty programs on the market. The V500 is designed with service in mind. All maintenance points are easily accessed with just a few simple tools. The V500 series, outstanding performance for professionals.